Let's start by putting the frame together. It's the base of your high chair. Lay one leg flat with the inside facing up. Slide the wooden bar into the bottom slot and tighten the bolt with the included hex key. Now pop in the metal bar right above it and tighten that one too. Hold on to the bar while you tighten so it doesn't roll. Slide the footrest into the track and twist the thumb screws until they're snug. Make sure the thumb screw catches before you begin to twist. Line up the child step below the footrest and screw it in from the inside of the leg. Bring in the other leg and fit all the bars and footrests into place. Tighten all the bolts and thumb screws so everything feels solid. If the second leg feels hard to attach, start at the bottom slots and work upward. Give everything a quick check. Tighten all 6 bolts again so nothing wiggles. Save the hex key for touch-ups later. If the chair rocks on the floor, one bolt is likely still loose. Next, add the backrest. Slide the backrest onto the frame legs. It should glide right down and feel snug. Pop the capsules into each side, tighten the bolts, and snap on the little covers until you hear a click. Time for the baby seat. Line it up over the capsules and push down until it clicks on both sides. Give it a little tug to make sure it's locked. Finally, add the tray. Slide the tray along the armrest until it clicks. Then use the buttons under the tray to adjust it to the depth that feels best for your baby.